Welcome to the Learning Ally audiobook solution. Learning Ally's human-read audiobook app can help your child read independently, develop a love of learning, and reach their full potential. The Learning Ally audiobook app has tons of features to help students complete assignments and develop the habit of reading. The Learning Ally audiobook app allows your child to read anywhere, anytime, on almost any device. Their books will sync across multiple devices, allowing them to begin reading on one device and then resume reading on another. So be sure to download the app on all devices your child may use. There is no limit to the number of books they can download once their qualification is confirmed. Once the books are downloaded, there's no need for internet access. The Learning Ally audiobook app has a multitude of features to make reading easier and more fun. Readers can change the speed of the reading to move quickly through familiar passages or slow down and listen carefully to each word.
Since I've never been to a real school before, I'm pretty much totally and completely petrified. People think I haven't gone to school because of the way I look, but it's not that.
They can change the size, spacing, colors, and background to see the text more clearly. Encourage your child to play around with the customization features until everything is just how they want it. Your child will also find a built-in dictionary to help learn new words. Just press and hold on any word, and the dictionary will open and offer the definition of the word. Sometimes there's more than one meaning. Select the meaning that makes sense in the text, and it will save it in a vocabulary list. With this list, your child can track and review all the new words they've learned. Does your child's teacher want them to keep a reading log or cite evidence from the text? The Learning Ally audiobook app can help. When your child comes across a phrase that they need for homework, select the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will select the currently highlighted sentence and allows them to add their own notes. When they've completed reading for the day, they can save and print out their notes to turn them in, or even email them to their teacher. If your child is a reluctant reader, start slow. Just a few minutes every day can build the habit of reading. Consider listening together. Keep trying titles until you find one your child enjoys. As your child gains confidence, they will begin to read more independently. Watch our video on goal setting for more strategies on helping your child engage with reading. You can find more information through the related links below.